So, are you interested in starting real estate investing? Do not worry, this video is for you. It covers basics for real estate investing. So, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so by subscribing to my channel. So, let's get started. So, what is real estate investing? Well, real estate investing is a way to make money by owning properties or investing in companies that own properties. So, that's just it. It can provide passive income, long term wealth, and tax benefits. So, let's go to the types. What are the types of properties? Okay, we have residential, we have commercial. Residentials, we have homes, we have apartments, and then for commercials, we have office. It could be retail spaces of any sort. So that's just it about the types. And for ways to invest, you can either buy and hold, or then fix and flip. I'm going to explain this. Or either rent out a property, invest in real estate investment. Buy and hold is actually different from fix and flip. For buy and hold, you own a property for a long term, but then for fix and flip, you have to renovate and sell quickly. So that's just different. Okay, let's go to things to consider. You have to consider location, you have to consider the property condition as well as the tenants, finances. What are the financing options? Okay, talking about finances, let's look at financing options. Okay, you can either mortgage, that's borrowing from the bank, or either partner with someone, that's sharing of ownership and cost, or either use your own money if you have a lot of money. Yes, that's it basically about real estate financing. So it also involves a lot of risks. So when you are taking this decision, think about it and do your research. I talk about this. So do your financial research before investing. It is very important when it comes to investment. Do your research before making any financial decision. Yeah, here we give business updates, we give business reviews as well as crypto updates. So do well to subscribe to my channel. Keep the notification button on, like and share my videos for more crypto updates and business updates like this, and how to invest, how to save money, how to grow your business, as well as how to get the latest coin and how the market works. So guess what? I'm working on the next video for you.